Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this session, we are going to make a tic-tac-toe game using Chat GPT, so let's begin. First, open Chat GPT and Code Pen for the editing of the code in two separate tabs. Now write the prompt as "Write me a code for tic-tac-toe game in HTML CSS." And click Enter. Now it will generate the code for tic-tac-toe game and wait for a while till it's done. Now click the copy code option from where it has started to generate the code and paste this HTML code in the Code Pen HTML section. When you paste the code in the HTML section, it will automatically show you the result in the blank space. Below the code there you can see the code that it's running, and the X and O options are coming there. Now, if I don't like the styles, you can tell Chat GPT to add more styles to it and make it more presentable. For example, I'm telling him to add restart button and add neon colors in the background. In the last results will be there in front of you. When you will paste the code in the Code Pen HTML section. This is the last and the final result of this code generated by Chat GPT. Thanks for watching. If you get to learn something from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.